Neutral point for electric fields. Point number 1. Neutral point is a point where net electric field intensity is 0. Net means resultant. Means a point where net or resultant electric field intensity is 0. That particular point called neutral point. For example, we consider 2-point charges Q1 and Q2. Let us say this P is neutral point. It means net or resultant electric field intensity at point P due to both the charges will be 0. It means electric field at P due to 1 plus electric field at P due to 2, these two vector sum total as an overall will be 0. Now take it on RHS, this one. So you will see EP1 vector is minus of EP2. Means neutral point is a point where two electric fields are equal and opposite. So at that point, net electric field becomes 0. So the point where net electric field intensity becomes 0 called neutral point. Breathe in. Point number 2. What are the necessary conditions for neutral point to exist along the line joining two charges? See, these are two charges where neutral point lies. It is like equilibrium point, because electrostatic Lorentz force F is equal to Q naught into E. Now apply your mind. A point where net electric field intensity is 0. At that point, if you place another charge, then net force at that point will be 0. Vice versa. A point where equilibrium is existing, where net force on a charge is 0. When net force on a charge is 0, then at that particular point, net electric field intensity is also 0. So, conditions for equilibrium along 2-point charges and neutral point, these are same. First, neutral point lies closer to smaller charge in magnitude. Whatever charge having smaller value, it will lies closer to that. You will see in numericals. For example, if it is Q, if it is 4Q, you will see neutral point lies closer to smaller charge in magnitude. Whatever smaller charge in magnitude, neutral point lies closer to that. Part 2. Now the most important point. Neutral point lies in between the line joining for like charges. Means if both charges are positive or negative, neutral point lies in between the line joining. For example, these two charges are positive or both charges are negative. You will see neutral point comes somewhere in between due to these two charges, Q1 and Q2. Similarly, neutral point will come in between. Why? Because neutral point is a point where net electric field intensity is 0. And at that point, two electric fields must be existing which are equal and opposite in direction. So you see, for similar or like charges, electric field is in opposite direction somewhere in between, and outside electric fields are in same direction. See, let us consider 2 points, point P and point Q. For plus Q1, electric field direction at P, radially outward, away from plus Q1. This is EP1 vector. Similarly, electric field direction at P because of plus Q plus Q2, again it is positive, so again radially outward, EP2. Now apply your mind at a point fields are in same direction. So they will never cancel out. So neutral point will not exist outside the line joining for like charges. But see in between, this positive charge creating outward field at Q away from plus Q1. This is E vector at Q D21. Now focus on this second. Again it is positive. So this positive charge creates field direction away from positive Q2. So the fields are in opposite direction at Q, which is in between. So remember this point for numericals like equilibrium point. Neutral point lies in between the line joining for like charges. Whenever you see in numerical, these are like charges or similar charges, both are positive or both are negative, then you will consider neutral point somewhere in between. Breathe in. Now it is having second part, B. Neutral point lies outside the line joining. Outside the line joining for dissimilar or unlike charges. Means if one charge is positive, another is negative, then it will lie outside the line joining. See this? This is positive and this is negative. Let us say it is Q1, it is Q2. Now remember first condition also. Neutral point lies closer to smaller charge in magnitude. Now see, smaller charge in magnitude is this. We should consider this point. I repeat. First of all, see, these charges are like charges, then you will consider neutral point in between. Point number 2, if these are unlike charges, you will consider neutral point outside the line joining, either this side or that side. Remember this first. Similarly here, if these charges are like this, minus 4Q and Q, again one is positive, another is negative. Neutral point will lie outside the line joining, either this side or that side. Remember this first. Now in the second point, let us check it out. Why it lies outside? Again the same point. Outside you will see these two fields are in opposite directions. Now fields in opposite direction may cancel. So let us check it out for outside point. This negative charge Q1 creating radially inward direction of electric field. When electric field at P due to minus Q1 is towards minus Q1. It is EP1 vector. And this is Q2, positive 1, creating electric field radially outward, away from positive Q2. Now you see outside the line joining, these are in opposite direction. So neutral point will exist somewhere outside the line joining. Now breathe in. Point number 3. In the point number 3, for direct answer, for easy calculations, you will focus the point number 1 also. Neutral point lies closer to smaller charge in magnitude. Now focus which is smaller charge in magnitude. You see this is smaller charge in magnitude. So in spite of this point, you will consider neutral point this side at a distance x from smaller charge in magnitude. It will give you direct answer. You will see in the next page. Similarly here, out of these two charges, it is smaller in magnitude. So in spite of this point, for this numerical, we will consider neutral point here at a distance x from smaller charge in magnitude. Now see these numericals. Breathe in. Now see first numerical. Question is locate neutral point for these two charges. One is minus E, another is 4E, separated by distance R, and one is Q or one is Q2. Or the same numerical inquired like this, find a point where net or resultant electric field is 0. Then in the answer, point number 1, notice whether they are like charges or unlike charges. These are like charges, both are negative. Then you will consider, let neutral point P lies in between at x distance away from minus E. That is given to you, minus E, or you call it from Q1. Focus, this is Q1 minus E, this is Q2 minus 4E. Now consider point in between. Why in between? On the previous page you learned for similar charges or like charges it lies somewhere in between at a distance x. So remaining will be r minus x. Now see, if it is neutral point, then net electric field at P will be 0. And this is the net electric field at P due to these two charges Q1 and Q2. So EP1 vector plus EP2 vector will be 0. Take it on right hand side. You know, neutral point is existing because of these two electric fields at point P are equal and opposite in direction. Now take magnitude. Now apply magnitude formula of electric field. Focus, it is intensity of electric field. EP1, focus on P, focus on 1, then distance between them x. So you will say K mod of Q1 means minus E divided by this distance between Q1 and P square divided by that. So mod of EP2, focus on P and Q2, then distance between them. It is K mod of Q2 divided by R minus X whole square. Now you may simplify this. E cancel, out of mod this minus sign will not come. It is 1 upon x square is equal to 4 by r minus x square. Take square root. 1 by x, 2 by r minus x. After simplification, you will see x is r by 3. It is, you should write like this, neutral point is existing at a distance of r by 3 away from minus E or Q1 considered by you. Breathe in. Now the most important numerical number 2. See, now one is negative and another is positive. Say it is plus E and it is minus 4E. Same question is inquired again. Locate neutral point for plus E and minus 4E separated by distance R. Yeah, find a point where net electric field or resultant electric field is 0. Same way you will proceed, but this diagram is modified and these magnitudes will change. See this. This time Q1 is plus E and Q2 is minus 4E separated by distance R. Now you should focus whether they are like or unlike. So you see, one is positive, another is negative. These are unlike charges. Point number 1. Point number 2, for unlike charges, neutral point will lie outside the line joining, either this side or that side. Again breathe in slowly and gradually. Now, which charge is smaller in magnitude? Magnitude I am talking about, not negative positive. Take mod of both. So this is smaller in magnitude. So neutral point answer will come out on the left hand side. Outside this point is neutral point. So you should consider directly. Let us say this P is neutral point, your net electric field is 0. at a distance x from q1. Now this time it is plus E, from plus E or q1. But the concept remaining same. Since P is neutral point, net field at P will be 0. Electric field at P because of q1 plus electric field at P because of q2 will be 0. These two fields are again equal and opposite. Now take magnitude. Focus electric field magnitude at P due to q1. Focus on q1, focus on P, and focus on this distance between q1 and point. So you will say K mod of plus E divided by x square. Breathe in. Similarly, electric field at P due to q2. Now q2 is this negative charge, and distance between q2 and point is r plus x. So K mod of minus 4E divided by r plus x whole square. Now simplify this. K cancelling, E cancelling, minus sign absorbed in the magnitude. You will see 1 by x square is 4 by r plus x whole square. Square root 1 by x, 2 by r plus x. So r plus x is twice x. So take x is r. Solve it. Breathe in.